The Finance Bill 2023 actually was swapped by the courts, and that's when the court issued an order of not apprehending this Finance Bill 2023. But again, they overcame, or the government overcame the order, and actually decided to not use it and use the Finance Bill 2023. And this is the repercussion that we're having today, because the defilement or the open defilement of the court orders and the same feeling that made actually the Gen Z to rise up because of the unconstitutionalism and the zero regard of our rule of law. Because when we do not obey our court orders, neither are we expecting that we shall follow our constitutions and the guideline and regulations set to the latter. And number one principality of a good governance is that we are able to follow the rule of law, the set guidelines that we as Kenyans have set together, so that we can be able to have a unified and a common governance and a good leadership. So when someone feels that he's bigger or big than the law, then it's become so hard for each and every Kenyans to be able to accommodate each other. So this the 2023 finance bill, of course, it doubled the fuel levy and the road maintenance levy to 7 shillings. And that is actually another case when people raised up. And of course, it also incorporated the housing tax, or what it used to be termed as a duty. And Kenyans gave their views. Of course, they felt that it is not necessary. It is not the time for this government to add more taxes or to ask for more or dig deep into Kenyans' pocket, but rather to confide onto what the previous government, or what the capacity and the capability of a common Kenyan is living upon today. So it is time for this government, of course, to relook on issues when it comes to the rule of law, the issues when it comes to our courts, and of course the judiciary and the court orders, because the three arms of government ought to be independent, and of course need to also act interdependently. So there is a big liaison between the three arms of government, and when one arm of government feels it's bigger or it's more influential than the other, then it becomes hard for each and every or the coordination and cooperation of these three tiers.
Hans, of course,